Now that we have the M262 already enabled, I'm going to open the machine Scada Expert. So I have created on the global 4 variables, M262, R10, bar 1, bar 2, 1, 3, and I have linked it in these objects text box over here. So we can change that delete information from here. So you need to manually create those variables, then to link it to the one for the OPC. So for OPC, we just need to add a connection. Right click, insert. Then here we just need to add the name of the connection. So I'm going to use OPC UA M262. The endpoint is the PLC. You can use this to guide you. Okay, so opc.tcp / the PLC IP address, and then the port that was configured in this address. If you take a look here, my controller, we have this already configured. So I'm going to copy this just in case. Okay, and paste it. So now we can test the connection. The other side, connection established successful. The security, you will have this endpoint, and I recommend you to trust the server certificate just in case. Okay, yes, and it's now trust just in case. Now, okay, and okay. Now that you have the connection, you just need to add the table sheet to add the variables, to link the variable. So right click, insert, and you will have this sheet. I already have one, okay, that name it as variables underscore M262. So I'm going to open it. Here, what you need to do is to just define the tag name. It's going to be the tags that we have already configured over here. So M262 underscore X bar 01. Here, the node name. Before doing this, I need to add the connection. So I have the sheet. Then I need to find from where the communication. The connection is this one, so I need to add the connection here. Now that I have this connection, it's time to link to the node. That should be the PLC. If you take a look here, I'm able to see the device and the variables of the GBL that I have created. It should be these ones. So I just going to link it. And it just add the complete path. The same with the others variables. Okay. And temperature. Bar 3 and bar for the temperature. So now that I have this variable and I have already linked this global, the tags to here, and these tags are linked to the one of the PLC on the sheet, we can save and then make a debug. Okay, it's on the other side. So I have this. I'm going to open this one. So if I change this part, you can see that it's changing the GBL variable. Here I have the logic, this bar or this one will turn on the bar 1. So 1 is on, 1 is on, this one 0 is on, and this one 0. It works. Okay, so this is how you can link the variables from the M262 to machine Scada Expert.